Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, then the 970 EVO Plus SSD with 2 TB of capacity. It's all on the market with 1 TB and 500 GB and 250 GB. It's an M.2 NVMe interface internal solid state drive with V-NAND technology. This is the AMZ with them as 2 TOB/AM. It's an SSD, that means fast delivery of data transfer. That means you can attach this one into your computer on your motherboard, for example, or as here shown into an SSD drive host or hub system. Or you can run this in your NAS, network attachment system. This is always evolving the SSDs. The 970 EVO Plus is powered by the latest V-NAND technology and firmware optimization. Maximize the potential of the NVMe bandwidth. It comes in a storage capacity of up to 2 TB with reliability of up to 1200 TBW. And the computer platform can be in personal computer, or as you can see here, a NAS or an host system, and hub, and so on. It is an internal storage. That means your device where you like to attach this needs to support this M.2 NVMe SATA standard. In the Samsung V-NAND 3-bit MLC with the voltage of 3.3 volt plus minus 5%, allowable voltage can be a good and energy saving style to use your computer system with an operation system, for example, or to store a lot of data with that SSD. We have breakthrough read and write speed. The 970 EVO Plus reaches a sequential read and write speed up to 3,500 megabit per second. This is up to 53% faster than the 970 EVO on the market. Samsung Magician for the data security. This software provides a suitable of our user-friendly tools that helps us to keep our drive up to date. We can monitor the drive health and the speed and even boost performance if we like this. Of course, it's plug and play. You can attach this, and this SSD will be shown in your computer system, and you can make a format and use it. You just not need the Magician for data security apps or something else. And we have superior heat dissipation. Samsung's dynamic thermal guard automatically monitors and maintains the optimal operation temperature to minimize the performance drops. And it's really cool. Samsung says 7-year limited warranty. That's good. It provides up to 1,200 terabytes written TBW with 5 years of protection for exceptional endurance powered by the latest V-NAND technology and Samsung's reputation for quality. That's a good fact, and that's nice because this gives us Samsung with it. Samsung's story begins in 1969 when Samsung was created for the purpose of helping people achieve the impossible. After over 50 years, they are still innovating, creating technology that breaks down old and new barriers so people like us can do what we can make. They will continue to be driven by the purpose, which is why they put people and the things they are about at the center of everything what they create. And Samsung does not only create SSDs, of course. There are a lot of other Samsung devices on the market. But Samsung is always evolving the SSD performance. The ultimate in performance is upgraded faster than the EVO 970. And The 970 EVO Plus is powered by the latest V-NAND technology and firmware optimization. It maximizes the potential of the NVMe bandwidth for unbeatable computing. It comes in a capacity of up to 2 TB, reliable of up to 1200 TBW. This solid-state drive here is really cool for gaming, for example, because we can level up our performance with that. Or you make video editing and something else. And of course for data storage. The SSD technology is much more faster than the old HDD setup. The 970 EVO Plus reached sequential read and write speeds up to 3,500 megabit per second. This is a lot faster than the other devices out there. And the new standard is suitable for performance. We get up to 1200 TBW with a really cool 5-year limited warranty of Samsung. That's cool. And the Magician advanced drive management made simple. If we like to use this app, it will help us to make a monitoring of the system. It helps us to update our system, the SSD system, of course, and so on. This is really cool because it works really good and it's easy. It's plug and play. You have to attach this to your computer system on your motherboard and job's done. This is the Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD. In this case with a 2 TB, when it's already on the market with 500 GB or 250. It's an M.2 NVMe interface internal solid-state drive with V-NAND technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Of course, you have to check first that you have or your mainboard does support the NVMe interface, M.2 NVMe, okay? Because there are 2 standards on the market, and if this matches, this SSD will match too. Soon.